Let's run together!
Lions and tigers.
Let's run together!
Let's make this a meaningful run. So I hope everybody keeps safe and enjoy the event. Thank you for joining us in this journey.
This is the Hair Fix Keratin Straight. And ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-secret ko talaga bakit humahaba ng ganito yung buhok ko without breaking.
Hi everyone! Good morning! Nauna tayo sa araw today. For a good cause, syempre. I'm here to run for Save the Children. I'm so happy to be here at ang saya kasi ang ganda ng energy dito, ang daming tatakbo for a good cause. So I can't wait to participate and to run for them.
Nothing is yours now. Your story's got pages all torn out.
So for me, ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo is my favorite DermAid product, which is the Tawa soap na calamansi plus aloe vera. So I really love this kasi it helps smoothen and whiten our skin. Protektahan ang ating mga buhok. And ako talaga personally, ang aking favorite ay ang tinatawag nating Hair Fix Professional Hairspray Ultra Volume. Kaya kahit gumising yata ako ng 1 a.m., nakapagkulot pa talaga ako for today para sa inyong lahat.
Today, sana mag-enjoy lang tayo, lalo mga babies. And let's just have fun, everyone!
So welcome everyone to Livestrong Fun Run. Let's run together. So this is not just a run, but a run with a purpose because today we are running to support Save the Children. Because here at Watsons, we don't just look good, we do good so we can make everyone feel great.
Set me free, now liberate me. I'm making me who I wanna be. Set me free, now liberate me. Let me see the fire in me now.
On behalf of Livestrong, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank each and every one of you who joined to have this fun run.
At sa mga organizer, sa mga staff, maraming salamat sa inyo. Sa sponsor, maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po sa fun run na ito kasi well organized po talaga at maganda po ang ruta namin.
Set me free, now liberate me. I'm making me who I wanna be.
I just wanna let you know na hindi lang po ito basta fun run dahil lahat po kayo, bawat isa sa inyo dito ngayon ay nakatulong po sa mga bata sa Save the Children.